What's up, YouTube? Back here again with my best friend William. What do we got here today, William? Another Harry Potter Mystery Wand review. This time we're doing the Patronus series.
This time the Gold Eye series and not the Bad series, but we haven't seen our Bad series. We're gonna check it out.
Yeah, we did one with the Bad series, the Death Eater series or something, huh? Yeah, it's a mystery wand. Says 1 of 9 different wands. Shows you on the back here. You got all the different ones there. They've all got names to them. I don't know everything about Harry Potter. Come on, William, let's open it up. Let's see what you got this time.
Let's see what that last time that was the most basic.
We got one of the most basic ones last time on the Death Eater series.
We got the basic.
You got the most basic one? All right, let's see. Hopefully we got a cool one this time.
And we did.
You get it? Let's see. There you go. Pull.
Let's see what we got.
Ooh, does that one look cool?
Let's see on the other side.
Let's see. Here's our stand.
Let's see what we got.
Which one is that? Let's see. Oh, right here. Here they are. Wait, that one's pretty cool, huh? Which one is there? Is that this one here? Yep, there it is. That's Cho Chang. We got Cho Chang there.
If we were to do a basic one, but not.
Check it out. It's pretty cool, huh? Look, it's got all the little grooves and the marks and the swirlies, and we got the stand here.
100 people heads. So I go boo.
Check it out. For that stand, how's it look? Let's see, abracadabra. What shirt do you have on under there? Bam! What do you got?
I know you're Freddy.
Five Nights at Freddy.
I know you're Freddy.
Check that out. Sits in the stand like that. That's pretty cool, huh?
And it says the name.
Says the name. Yep, Cho Chang. Says the name at the bottom of the base plate there. Pretty cool, huh? All right. We'll see y'all next time, YouTube, at the next review. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.